Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox Studio login failed error. So first make sure that the Roblox servers are operational. Open your preferred browser and navigate to status.roblox.com. Find creator on this page and ensure that the studio servers are operational. If there is a service disruption, then you can only wait for this problem to resolve itself as it's not caused by your own connection. You can also preview any current or past issue in the history below. If the servers are all operational, then make sure you are using the reliable network connection. You can follow the basic steps to make sure that your connection is not the culprit. First, test your network connection using a speed testing site or application such as Speed Test. Here you can preview your average app and download speed to the closest server. Now open up your Windows settings. Under System, scroll down, click on Troubleshoot. Here, select Other Troubleshooter and then run the Internet Connections Troubleshooter. This will take a minute to check your connection and apply settings. If they can fix your connection problem with Roblox Studio. In the Network and Internet section, you should also disable any VPN connection that might be enabled on your PC. A VPN can be very useful, but it can also cause login issues with Roblox Studio. When this is done, make sure to close applications that are still running on your PC, especially apps that can bottleneck your internet connection, such as Steam or a video stream on your browser, can prevent some apps from accessing the server and log you into your account. Lastly, search for Roblox Studio. Your start menu search and select to run the application as an administrator. You are required to have admin permission to run Studio, and this can fix a couple of potential startup issues for the application. All of these steps will help you to fix Roblox Studio login error. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.